The main bottom site has been completely refurbished. We've now got 12 of the pods and 3 yurts on site for alternative accommodation, as well as 208 pitches and about 6 tent pitches as well. We've got a small play park for the kids. We've also got a multi-use games area, so with a football pitch and basketball court, and a games room on site with a pool table as well. It's about 3/4 of a mile from the site actually down to the sea itself. In Scarborough itself, obviously the seafront, the amusements is usually a popular one. There's P-Zone Park, which is like an oriental style garden. We've got a small lake on site as well where you can take a pedalo round or a rowing boat. And then a bit further afield, there's obviously Flamingo Land.